It's the easiest way.
The easiest way.
Super is the easiest way to get a rep to follow process, and Super helps service companies create profit margin.
Helps make sure that you have exactly what you need, when you need it, and where you need it in areas that you're already working in. What it does is helps your people do the stuff they don't want to do and makes them like it.
It makes it really easy to prove why you should get a raise to your CEO, to your manager, because you can prove exactly what you just did and that you followed everything that they wanted to do, and it's on record.
Do you know when you watch Netflix and at the end of the episode or the series, there's like you're gonna play this next, or like, we're just gonna play this for you. That's what Super does, except if you skip the episode, everyone's gonna know.
Bullying sales reps into doing the right thing. Emphasis on bullying.
We help salespeople know what to do, how to do it, and track that they've done it.
We help managers tell their reps what they did right, what they did wrong, and what to do next, so that manager can spend less time sending annoying Slack messages or pestering their reps and having that conflict in the relationship, and more time doing the more important things like working on those key deals, coaching their reps beyond the process to become a better seller.
Super helps you get rid of the admin work while remaining human.